So, ibig sabihin, napakaswerte nitong incumbent barangay captains sa buong Pilipinas because they will serve for 6 years. Am I correct?
Yes, that's correct. Thank you very much. I'm pleased to attempt to answer the questions of Senator De La Rosa.
Thank you, Madam Sponsor. Thank you, Mr. President. If as said by the good sponsor, she's ready to answer my questions, ma'am.
Thank you.
My first question is, what's the rationale behind this proposed measure?
Yes, we are proposing that the term of 3 years be amended to 6 years. Alam naman natin na nakailang amendment na tayo, in-extend natin 2 beses, kaya ngayon ang Korte Suprema sinabi na bawal na yung pa-extend. So ang suggestion ko, i-amend na natin, ipirma na natin sa 6 na taon, kasi yung 3 taon sa barangay, sa dinami-dami ng trabaho nila, talagang hindi na nila magampanan. Yung nasa local government codes, ang katutak yun, yung iba't iba pang batas, yung mga solid waste, environment, anti-drug, sang katutak na batas to be implemented by the barangay, tapos their own functions pa. So, sa 3 taon, yung unang taon, as we know, nangangapapa, yung 2nd taon, nagtatrabaho, yung 3 taon, kampanya na ulit. So, they're not able to do very much at paiba-iba na lang at pa-extend tayo, hindi tuloy na paplano ng maigi. So, I'm proposing 6 years po.
Sana wag na gawin 6 years ang term ng barangay. Kung sa 3 years nga lang mga barangay captain at mga barangay kagawad. Kadalasan walang ginagawa, nasa opisina lang, kuminsan wala pa sa opisina. Kahit ordinansa lang ng mga barangay, yung aso, pakalat-kalat sa kalsada, hindi nila nagawa. Masyado po mahaba yung 6 years, lalo lang barangay ay ang ginagawa. Kahit magbay-bay sa gabi, magro-ronda sa gabi, mga kagawad, tanod, barangay, wala na. Dati meron mga ganun. Lalo ngayon, December, uso ang party-party. Maganda na yung 3 years lang para magsikap sila, magsipag sila sa kanilang mga tungkulin. Magpakitang gilas sila sa kanilang constituent.
Thank you, Madam Sponsor.
Yes.
But meron lang akong kunting apprehensions. Like, sa mga narinig natin,
Yes.
mga ordinaryong tao, mga taga-barangay, how will we be able to convince them itong from 3 years gawin natin 6 years na meron silang sinasabi na kahit na 3 years maybe for us 3 years is so short a term for a good barangay captain.
Pag too long.
On the other hand, it's too long for a very bad barangay captain. So kung gagawin natin 6 years, paano natin ma-satisfy yung mga apprehensions ng ating mga kababayan doon sa barangay?
Yes, tama yun. 6 years is very long time for a bad barangay kapitan, a bad SK, or an absentee one by the DILG for non-performing or performing officials. So this quarterly assessment, while it has no sanctions, also serves to give a record and a report to the people. Of course, the courts and the ombudsman are still available also.
Yes, thank you. Good
I also forgot, pwede palang bawasan yung honoraria nila. Pag na-absent sila ng na-absent, kasi yung honoraria ng mga barangay officials is based on attendance. Pag talagang wala ng pag-asa, may recall section sa ating local government code, article section 69, pwede mag-recall ng barangay kapitan.
Meron na isang issue dito tungkol sa SK. Kung gagawin natin 6 years term, yung SK, ang age limit nila is 24 years old. After 6 years of serving, 30 years old na sila.
That's right.
Hindi na sila masyadong adept with the current events or the current developments of the youth. Pagdating sa edad na 30,
Yes.
kasi parang mature na sila pagdating nga. Then they
Over
will be
age na
eligible
sila.
for another
6 years.
6 years. So 30 plus 6, maging 36.
Ang iniisip po natin, yung SK 1 term lang.
Longer term of 6 years for barangay officials and their kagawads, and there will be a postponement there may be a scenario that barangay officials would serve longer than the president. Do you agree, Madam Sponsor?
I think that's not going to happen. They will serve, in fact, 1 year longer. That's correct. But it should not happen again. It will thereafter, it will the previous ones. And the recommendation is, as the good Senate President Pro Tempore mentioned, that may also be a good option given that October is always rainy and there are midterms and other exams which hamper the SK from attending and voting.
My only concern here, Madam Sponsor, is that if this measure will be passed into law, setting a fixed longer term of 6 years for barangay officials and their kagawads, and there will be a postponement, there may be a scenario that barangay officials would serve longer than the president. Do you agree, Madam Sponsor?
I think that's not going to happen. They will serve, in fact, 1 year longer. That's correct. But it should not happen again. It will siguro yung lalampas lang, hindi rin lalampas kasi yung mga nakaupo ngayon, nag-umpisa ng 2023, samantalang ang Pangulo 2022. Tapos yung susunod na election ng Pangulo, 2028, ang mga kapitan at mga opisyal, 2029 naman. So patas lang sila na 6 na taon, yun nga lang magkasunod.
So, ibig sabihin, napakaswerte nitong incumbent barangay captains sa buong Pilipinas because they will serve for 6 years. Am I correct?
Yes, that's correct.